Hello everybody, welcome here to another video. Today I decided to film a really quick little homeware haul, kind of random bits and bobs haul. I've recently been to this really cool shop that's in Dún Laoghaire in Ireland, in Dublin, and it's called Sister Grene. I think that's how you pronounce it. I think it's Sister Grene. It's basically this really cool shop that has loads of like handmade things, and well, not just handmade things, but just a really cool shop with loads of natural, what am I trying to say here? Natural things like pots, pans, little eco-friendly dish things, accessories, toys for kids, loads of party decorations and like cups and plates and napkins and everything and anything you can basically think of. But it's like my dream shop because you walk into it and everything's so like naturally neutral colored and nothing's really vibrant. I'm not a vibrant person. I'm all about the neutrals and florals and everything like that. So I walked in and it was the perfect shop for me. So I bought a couple of random things from there. I've also went back into Penneys or Primark and picked up a couple of things. And then I have one thing from H&M. So I just basically thought I'd share them with you in case you're wondering what's in the shops right now. And in case you're local to me, I believe they have this Sister Grene shop all around the world. So I might pop a link to the website down below so you can check it out and see if it's anywhere near you. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video and I really hope you enjoy it. So as I said, I'm going to start with this shop because it's my new favourite. I'm kind of sad that it's in Dún Laoghaire because it's a little bit like kind of out of the way for me. I'm not there constantly, so it's going to have to be one of those shops that whenever I'm in Dún Laoghaire I'm going to have to visit it. But yeah, let me start with these. So I got some glass straws. It's something that I wanted for a little while, and this is what they look like. They're colourful, and yeah, I'm not sure what else to tell you about these, but they're glass straws. There's a pink one, green one, white and yellow, and I just thought they were cute. All of the things in the shop, which I really like, have prices on them, which is so handy. I often go to shops like this and it's like, how much is this, how much is that? Do you know when you just want to know? So these were actually on the more expensive side because there's only 4 of them. So certain things I was like, wow, that's so cheap, and certain things I was like, yeah, that could have been cheaper. But I didn't actually look at the price of these because I just really wanted these. They were €5.58 and I just thought they were really nice, and I love glass straws, so they'll be really nice for some iced coffees. I then picked up really random, it was in the kitchen section, but a little knife like this. They're super handy for just cutting some things, so this style of knife is really cool. So I just picked up that. I don't actually know how much it was. It was like €1 or something. I then picked up this notebook. I just really love the print of it, and it's just lined inside like so. And that was €2.78. They have so many different patterns of these, so many different floral patterns and designs, and it's just so nice. Actually, if you have a look on my Instagram, I would have done a post about this shop, like a little photo dump from it, and you can see kind of what stuff they might have. But yeah, I'm just obsessed with the shop, and I know it's been there for years, and I always said I need to go and pop into that shop, and just never got the chance, or kind of forgot about it even though I was there. So next up, I got a little present bag. This one currently has my friend's birthday present in it because it's her birthday next week. So yeah, just cute. That bag was 98 cents. but I just thought it was nice with the flowers on it. I then picked up these two little, I'm not sure what to call these, little candle holders. They're a bit big for a candle holder, but I just thought either a plant pot or a candle holder. Yeah, they're really cool. They're just like natural and they're both different. I just love them. They were only €1.98. So see what I mean? Like things like this, when I would think that this would be like €5 or something, it's really cheap, and then other things are dearer than I think they would be. But yeah, $1.98 for one of these. I then picked up these cute Easter decorations. So the first three things are these, and they're basically made out of wool. It's these just 3 eggs. So the ones with the designs on them, this one has the dots, they were $1.24. The little plain one was 93¢. The one with the lines on it was $1.24 as well. And then look at these. How cute is he? It's a little chicken. This was $1.80, and like that's really cheap for something like this, I think. So yeah, $1.80 for him. And then the last little decoration I got was this little guy, and he was $1.80 as well. How sweet. Just a little rabbit. So yeah, I just thought these would be really nice together. They're all sold separately, so there was so many different colors there and everything, but I just thought that all of these together would look really cute. Even on one of those, do you know, like in the hallway you have maybe like a vase with some branches, do you know, the ones that like live forever, and even if you hung them on that as like a, not like a Christmas tree, but just like a little decorations with those hanging down. So yeah, I thought that's what basically I thought of when picking these up. Plus I just couldn't say no to this little guy. I was like, do I have a purpose for you? No. But do I need you? Yes. So I picked that up. Oh, hello, Tiga. She's always in my videos, isn't she? She just won't pass an opportunity to show her face. Huh? Yeah. I then picked up some random things. The first thing being this toy. How cute is that? So it jingles and squeaks. So that's what it looks like. This was €3.28, and they have, again, so many different ones, so many different animals and patterns and colours. I then also got this one, and there are 2 different faces on either side. Again, just something totally different to what you'd see in shops. This was $4.90. Just a cute toy. And I also got some of these, and they're just like in natural colours, brown, grey, and they were $6.86. Yeah, just cute bits. I then picked up some things for Mother's Day, so I'm pretty sure this video will go up either on Mother's Day or after Mother's Day, so it's just some fillers for my mom's present. She's really into her art and craft, so she kind of collects everything and uses everything up and makes things out of them. So I just got her a couple of things, basically like a little picnics of things. So the first thing are these. I'm not sure what they are, but just these little things that you can thread through things. So yeah, that. I also got these pom-poms, because I thought the colours were really cool. I also got these feathers. And then I picked up, they have like a whole wall full of threads and wool and things like that. And I just picked up 3 of these. They had so many different colours, but I just chose these. I might as well show you what else I got her, because why not? Give you some inspiration. Where did I get this? I was ordering a little lamp from M&S a while ago. I'm not going to show it to you because it's basically packaged up in a box and I haven't taken it out yet, and I don't want to mess the box up, so I'm not going to show you. But it was really cool. It's like rattan, or rattan, is it rattan? Yeah, like a natural kind of lamp, and it's really cool. And together with it I ordered this, and it's a hand and nail cream collection with some cute bees on it, just some different scents. There is a poppy hand cream, primrose, rose hip and jasmine, so I know that she likes those, so yeah. And then another thing, because spring is coming and she's really into her gardening, I got her a new set of these. And there's like different things, like it just does, it's one of those things. But yeah, just thought that'd be nice. I picked that up. And then the last thing so far that I have is one of these. And it's like a keyring. It's like handmade by someone. And this is what it says. It says, "Turn to art." And it's made from leather and it's navy, and I just thought it'd be nice for her keys, especially since she's really into art. So yeah, I saw this in the shop and I was like, that is hers. So I picked that up, and then I'll get some flowers and things like that. So yeah, just some bits and bobs. As for Penneys, there are literally like 4 things that I picked up. The first 2 things are these mugs. If you've watched my last haul video, you would have seen I bought 2 mugs from Penneys, and it was these. And I said that I should have gotten 4, but I didn't because I didn't have enough hands. I had so many bags in my hands that they were just weighing me down, so I couldn't pick up more. But I went back yesterday and I said, oh, I need to pick up 2 more so I can have 4 now. They were €4 each, and they're just a really nice size, and yeah, I really like these, so I got 2 more. I then picked up this really cool flower pot. How cool is that? So it's this white, it kind of has like bits of sand in it. Flower pot, that's what it looks like. It was only €12, which I actually can't believe, because things like this literally looks like something from Anthropology or something really expensive, and it was only €12. I couldn't believe it. So I just thought it would be really nice for like a big plant, or yeah, I don't know. Obviously it's a plant pot, so it's for a plant. But yeah, I picked that up because it just stood out to me. It was so unusual, and again, something that doesn't look like you picked it up from Penneys. And the last thing from Penneys is a pair of shoes that I've seen everybody buying on Instagram, and I just said, wow, I need these because they're going to be so cool for spring, and they're just my kind of colour, and it's these. How cute are they? They also come in black. I didn't get them in black, but I only got them in this beige brown colour. I just think they're so cool. They were €15 and they're super comfortable. I put them on today just to see around the house if they were comfortable, and they're amazing. So I might have to pick up the black pair, maybe. But yeah, I really like them, and I think they'll go with so many different things, and with dresses and trousers and blazers and yeah, just everything like that. So I'm really happy with those. And then the last thing I picked up is from H&M, and it's actually a mirror. It's like a desk mirror. It's in this big box, but I'm going to take it out and show it to you and show you what it looks like. It's really, really cool. How cool is that? Look at this is the wood on it, and it basically has like a shelf here. Hello. It has a shelf here. You can also hang it up. So I'm thinking like above a dresser. Yeah, how cool is that? I'm gonna link it down below because they still have them in stock. But yeah, it's pretty big, and yeah, I really like it. I just love the natural wood on it, and yeah, I just thought it was really cute, and it would add just a little nice touch above a dresser. So that is everything that I picked up. I know it was like a little short haul, but again, I just thought you might like to see what I picked up recently and what you can get in that shop. And these, go and get them, because I feel like everybody's going to want them, so go and get them if you haven't already. I hope you're having a lovely day whenever you're watching this. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Let me know what videos you'd like to see as well, because that is something I'm always struggling with, and I never know what to film. So please be sure to let me know in the comments below what is it that you'd like to see. What are your favorite videos to watch? And I'll be sure to film those. But yeah, I hope you're all well, and I will see you all in my next video.